Hello guys, this is your Vishal Jain, your faculty for ACCA, FR and SBR paper. Guys, today I am here to answer all your queries about our upcoming FR and SBR batches. So let us understand one by one. First of all, I'll discuss about SBR and then to FR. So let us start it now. Coming to SBR batch for September 2025 or beyond examinations. Now, when is the batch starting? So understand our orientation session will be conducted on 15th of June. Make a note of the date very clearly. The orientation session will be conducted on 15th of June, Sunday, 2 p.m. India time. Okay, 15th of June, that is Sunday, 2 p.m. India time. Now, additionally, you will get first three lectures open to all so that you can watch that as a demo. Guys, I do understand that there are a lot of scams going on in the market for the ACCA coaching and classes. So I do want to maintain 100% transparency in my case. So I want to give you 3 lectures as a demo which you should watch and then take a decision whether my teaching style is up to your understanding or not. Okay, so you're not required to take classes before that. So watch the demo and then take the classes. Okay, now, so how to get the demo lectures? How to get the demo lectures? You need to fill the Google form. Sir, where will I get the Google form? In the description box. In the description box, you will get the Google form. Okay. Now, let me tell you about my batches now. Understand, our SBR lectures is divided into two parts. One is the concept lectures and one is the practice sessions. Now, for concept lectures, I will give you pre-recorded, whether you take live batch or recorded batch, irrespective of that. I will give you concept lectures pre-recorded. Sir, why? Because understand, SBR is so vast that if I go on and take the entire lectures in the live mode, I will not be able to focus more on practice, and practice gets hampered, which I don't want to, because in SBR concepts are important but practice is equally important. Okay, so what I will do is I will give you the concept lectures which will be fully updated, not to worry at all about that. I will give you concept lectures, okay, which you have to watch during the weekdays. Over 6 days you have to watch according to the planner which I will share in my orientation session. Okay, now, while watching the lectures, I do understand that you will have queries, so you have to accumulate the queries. And on Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. India time, we will conduct a session. Sir, what will you do in that session? So in that session, I will first of all take up your queries so that your concepts are clear. Then I will take up some examples which I have drafted to help you get a better clarity on the concepts. Third, I will take up exam level questions. So this way we are able to cater to the concept lectures, concepts, and then practice as well. Now, towards the end of the lecture, when our concept lectures and the practice of questions gets over, then we will also take up 5 past papers. Okay, it might include past papers, practice papers, specimen papers, or mock papers. Okay, wherein what I will do is I will tell you that please, I will identify that you have to solve this paper in ACCA practice platform. So you have to solve and come in the class. Now in the class, I will discuss the entire paper. Now when I am discussing the paper, you will get to identify, okay, this is the mistake which I made while solving the question. So now I'll discuss that mistake, and we move forward. So this way we'll discuss at least 5 past paper. Then comes pre-mock September 2025. So which I will say that you have to watch the understanding. First of all, see the pre-mock September 2025 question paper, solve it on your own, convert your answers to PDF, send it across to me on the mail ID which I will share with you. I will evaluate each paper and share a personalized feedback to you guys. Now, and on the basis of that mistakes which the students have made, I will conduct a session wherein I will discuss all the questions of pre-mock. Plus, I will also highlight the mistakes. So what will happen? I will highlight the mistakes of made by all students. So now, let's suppose in a batch there are X number of students. Let's suppose 50 students. Now, so what happens? Let's suppose one student is getting to learn from the mistake which he made, plus he or she will also learn from the mistake of other students also. Okay, so you are cumulatively learning from your mistakes plus other mistakes also. That will help you understand each and everything in a proper manner. To highlight one more thing, concept lectures, the pre-recorded ones, you have an option to take in Hindi or English, but practice sessions will always be in English language, irrespective of whether you opt for English batch or Hindi batch. So therein effectively we come for SBR, we have two batches. I can say batch 1 will be concept lectures in Hindi plus practice in English. Okay, batch 2 is concept lectures in English plus practice also in English. Understand that this will be pre-recorded. Okay, this will be conducted live. When? Saturday and Sunday at 9 a.m. India time. At 9 a.m. India time. Okay, now understand, guys, I am not making any separate distinction between live batch and recorded batch. The offering to both the students, whether you watch live or recorded, the offering is same. I have not made any distinction between live and recorded students. Okay, I will be conducting live this one. Okay, whether you opt for live batch or recorded batch, you do have an option to attend this one. Okay, so don't worry at all from that perspective. Now, prices are also same and offerings are also same, because I don't want to go into the situation where I'll say for recorded students I will not take up queries, for these students I will not take up queries. No, I will take up queries for all the students, whether you enroll for live batch, recorded batch. I will give equal offerings, equal attention to all the students who are enrolling with me. I know SBR batch. I don't know SBR recorded or SBR live batch. No, there is no distinction between that. Okay, now further. Queries, as I told, I will be taking in the weekend sessions. Sir, mock tests, as I told, I will be taking up past papers. Okay. Now, material, which material I will be using. So understand, for the concepts, I will give you the soft copy of the class notes, which I have, wherein I am teaching you. Plus, I will also give you the soft copy of the BPP or Kaplan book, but it will not be latest, but it will be very much applicable for you. That's not a challenge at all. Okay, it will be very much applicable for you. Now, further, understand, batch completion date, it will be completed by 15th of August, followed by, see, batch will be completed by 15th of August, but we will continue with the sessions. Sessions might be with revisions, might be query sessions, whatever sessions required, whatever you will demand, I will be there to help you out with the same till you clear the exams. Okay, now complimentary, as a complimentary, I will be giving you SBR revision capsule book, which will help you in the last minute revision of all the concepts. Sir, now tell me, if I can't watch live class, might be due to some restrictions, timing restrictions, or whatever it is, then the recordings will be uploaded on our portal within 24 hours of the live session. Within 24 hours of the live session. Now, if any student says that, sir, I want to watch recorded only, no worries. You can watch that. It's an option available to you. So even if you watch 100% recorded, you can watch. Someday you want to join live, you can do that. Okay. Because the WhatsApp group that I will create will be same. Live recorded, it will be same. Okay, now Google form to get the demo lectures is in the description box. You can fill this Google form. Now, till now, currently, we are also offering 10% discount. We are also offering 10% discount, which you can apply by the code VJSAP10 and get 10% discount. You can go to our website. You can go to our website by the name vishaljaineducation.com, and here you can go to our courses. See, you can get ACCA SBR Hindi English mix. Hindi will be concept, English will be practice, or ACCA SBR 100% English means concept and practices both in English lecture. Okay, so you have an option. So here you can go make a purchase. and you can enter your coupon code VJSEP10 and you will get 10% discount. Okay. Or if you are an international student or you are facing any challenge in the website, you can also reach out to us in this contact number. You can WhatsApp us +91 +91 84313 84051. You can reach out to us in this contact number, or this is the contact number of our team. Plus also you can reach out to me directly if you want to discuss anything. My contact number is +91 85840 12637. You can reach out to me as well directly. Okay, we can discuss and we can proceed with the classes. Now this is all about SBR. Guys, understand the orientation session of SBR is going to happen on 15th of June, Sunday, 2 p.m. Okay. Now, whoever is watching this session, first of all, please like that video. Okay. And share with your friends also. Now, one thing, guys, I want to know how many of you are from FR and or SBR. So if you're watching the session and if you want to enroll or if you have exams in September, then do comment FR or SBR in the comment box. Okay. Now moving on to FR details. So again, the orientation session for ACCA FR will be conducted on 15th of June, Sunday, 11 a.m. India time. Sir, where will you conduct this orientation session? It will be conducted live on my YouTube channel. It will be conducted live on my YouTube channel. Okay. Now again, first 3 lectures will be open to all. Now what you can do is first 3 lectures, you can join the live sessions of first 3 lectures. Sir, how can we join the live sessions? You can fill the Google form given in the description box and we will give you the access to attend first 3 live lectures. First 3 live lectures so that you watch and then decide. I understand the scams going on in the market and I want to maintain 100% transparency here. So I want you watch the classes in live mode and then take a decision accordingly. Okay. Now, for the students who can't watch it live, then also don't worry, you fill the Google form. We will give you the recording of the first 3 sessions. Okay, we will give you the recording of the first 3 sessions. You watch the recording of the first 3 sessions and decide yourself. Okay, but you have to fill the Google form for the same. Now, course structure. So understand our course structure and understand the structure. So we will be conducting the classes on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 p.m. evening India time. Now in this Monday, Wednesday, Friday, what we will do is we'll study chapter by chapter, all the concepts, examples, illustrations, questions. Okay. Now, additionally, I will also conduct a session on Saturday 8 p.m. Sir, what will we do in this Saturday session? Will we be studying anything? No, we won't be studying anything. So in this Saturday, what I'll do is I will not teach you anything new. But in the Saturday session, what I will do is I will take up your queries. I will help you in solving some important questions. I will help you with revisions. If you don't have any queries, if you don't want to discuss any questions, I will help you in revisions. So basically, we are keeping one day fully free. Where I will not be teaching, where you will be asking questions to me. Okay. Now, so understand, let's suppose there is any student who can't attend live sessions, but Saturday evening, I think everyone will be available, right? So you can join and discuss your queries with me. Okay. Sir, what will be the overall duration of the lectures? Around 90 hours. But understand, guys, the lectures are of 90 hours. Okay, it's max to max around 90 hours. Okay, but I don't see the time and teach. My only objective here is you should understand the concept. Yes, but I understand we should limit to some extent also. So I will max to max it will go till 90 hours is my lectures. Okay, now you do have an option to take English batch or English batch. You do have an option to do that. Okay, you do have an option to take English batch or English batch. Now understand, if you are taking a English batch, then your concepts will be in English plus question practice will also be in English. Okay, now but if you are taking English batch, then in that case your concepts will be in Hindi, but the question practice will happen in English language. Now, understand, if you are taking English batch, you will get a recorded only. Okay, English is live. English is live. So my request is, if you understand English, I will use simple plain English in my class. If you understand English, I will request you to join English batch. I will request you to join English batch. Okay. Now, sir, how will you address queries? Guys, definitely, if you have any queries during the conduct of my session, you can definitely ask me. If not, then Saturday you can ask your queries. If not, you can ask your queries in the WhatsApp group. But one disclaimer here, if you are asking your queries in the WhatsApp group, I will be responding within 24 hours. Don't expect me to respond to it immediately. No, I will respond within 24 hours. Definitely, I'll respond to your queries. Okay. Now, schedule, as I told, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 p.m. India time, and Saturday, 8 p.m. for practice, queries, or revisions. Okay. Now comes, sir, which material are you using in the class? So for the concepts, I will give you the soft copy of my own FR capsule book, which will have all the concepts. Plus, for questions practice, I will give you ACCA FR integrated question bank. And now in this integrated question bank, it will have the questions of BPP, it will have the questions of Kaplan, it will have the questions of study hub. So basically, if you are solving the integrated question bank, you are solving the questions of BPP, Kaplan, study hub, all three, all three, all three. Okay. Now, mock tests, sir, how are you going to take mock tests? So we will be conducting 5 mock tests. We'll be conducting 5 mock tests. Okay, out of which 3 will be block wise mock test and 2 will be full fledged mock tests. Okay, 2 will be full fledged mock tests. Now understand, how will we evaluate? So after conduct of every mock test, I will take a evaluation session wherein I will discuss the questions, the solution of it. Okay, and therein you will have an opportunity to discuss any mistake which you have made in the test, and we can discuss and we can sort it out. Okay, the best part of this session is, you can, let's suppose if you are unable to give the test in that timeline, this session, evaluation session, will be recorded also. So in the future, if you want to appear for the test, then appear the test and watch the evaluation session. Your dependency on me reduces to a higher level for the mock test. Your dependency on me reduces to a higher level on for mock test. Though after every session, whoever appears in the session as per the schedule, I will be conducting an evaluation session. Now, whenever it comes to, there is a chapter called as interpretation of financial statements. If there is any question of interpretation in the mock test, I will be evaluating it at a personal level and send you a feedback in the form of a voice note. Okay. Now, as a complimentary, you will get the revision support, you will get a revision capsule book. Okay. The, let's suppose if you are someone who can't attend a live classes due to some restrictions, okay, then in that case you will get the recordings within 24 hours of the conduct of the live session. Okay, if there's any student who wants to watch 100% recorded mode, you do have an option. Guys, understand that we do not differentiate between the offerings that we have for the recorded batch or the student live batch. No, we don't have any such difference. We don't have any such difference. Okay, whether you enroll for live batch or you enroll for recorded batch, you will get the same same classes, same query support, same revision support, same mock test, same everything is same. Okay, the choice of live or recorded class is also for you. Now let's suppose you enrolled for a recorded class but you want to join any live class, you can do that. Why? Because the students of live and recorded will be added in the same WhatsApp group. Okay, they will be added in the same WhatsApp group, so no difference, no difference at all. Okay, so this is what it is. Now, to watch the first 3 demo lectures, you have to fill the Google form which is there in the description box. Now we are also offering 10% early bird discount by the code VJSCP10, but for that you have to go to our website you have to visit our website. Now in the website you can click on ACCFR in 100% English or Hindi English mix. You can select your paper and click on buy now and enter your details, and you will have an option to enter the coupon code, where you have to enter this coupon code and you will get 10% discount, and you will get 10% discount. But one request, guys, whoever is watching this video, please write in the comment box whether you are an FR student or an SBR student. Please do write in the comment box, okay? If you have any further queries or clarifications to be required, you can definitely reach out to me, reach out to my team, or you can write in the comment box. So I'll give my contact number as well for the better understanding, okay? For enrollment, you can contact +918431384051. Okay. Now, if you want to discuss anything with me directly, you can reach out to me at +918584012637. Okay. So I believe I have tried to clear each and everything from the point of your batch details. But if you need any other details, do reach out to me, reach out to our team or our website, or you can write in the comment box. But in the comment box, do write whether you are an FR student or an SBI student, and see you for the free orientation session on 15th of June in my YouTube channel, the same YouTube channel where you are watching this video. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.